Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro, and in this video we're going to be talking about the instant credit purchase option. Now this is the listing for the credit purchase product. When you're setting a product to be purchased using the credits, they can add that to cart, go to checkout, and if you've seen the other video on this, you'll understand the flow. If we edit this product and we come down here, we can see an option for instant credit purchase. If we select that now, and we've got an option here to add a credit confirmation URL and the text, button text, and we can also opt to remove add to cart. So if I just save that as it is, there's a default location. Basically the default location for this is the My Account page, and then the button text, I think it just says use credits. So we'll just update that and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so we've gone back to that shop listing. You can now see that we've got two options. We can add that to cart or we can use credits. So if we wanted to add that to cart, it would take us to the cart page as normal. If we go back into that listing and we set remove add to cart, then we've only got the option to use credits. So basically this becomes an instant credit purchase and we completely bypass the need to add to cart and go through the checkout. So in this case, if we use credits like this, we're taken to the My Account page, which was the credit purchase destination, and we can see the credits have been deducted. So if we go back into that product and we set a different confirmation URL, so for example you want My Account /downloads, and you set that as a download with credit button, and you enable downloadable products, then you've got a system where you can actually redeem credits for downloads and get those access to those downloads instantly. So if we go back, so if we now view that product, you can see the button's changed. We redeem the credits, and because I've probably got the link completely wrong, My Account /downloads, it's taken us to the wrong location. So let's just double check this. Copy link, edit. And then we look at this product again. Try the download again. Now you can see it's working correctly. So you get the idea. You can basically put any URL in here as the credit confirmation page. So it could be in fact a direct download link. You can customize the text, and then you can opt to remove the add to cart button so that basically it becomes a pure credit redemption button, and it bypasses the checkout and the cart. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see just to keep reminding you. And also if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.